Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to download and install data packs for Minecraft 1.21.4 on your Mac. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser. Go to any modern website you prefer. For this example, I'm going to use modrianth.com. Once you're there, scroll down and click on Discover Mods, then click on the Data Packs tab at the very top. Now, choose a data pack you want to use. I recommend filtering these by Minecraft version. Scroll down until you find Game version, and select 1.21.4. Now that they've been filtered, select a data pack. In this example, I'm going to use the Timber data pack. So click on it. Once you're inside the data packs page, click on the Versions tab. Find the version for Minecraft 1.21.4. It's important that the platform says Data Pack. If you keep scrolling down, you'll find one that says Data Pack, and is also for Minecraft 1.21x. To make filtering easier, scroll up and click on the platform drop-down menu and select Data Pack. You can also do the same with Game version. Now that we've found the correct one, click on it. Then, click the green download button and save the data pack to your desktop. Alright, now that we've downloaded our data pack, we just need to install it. Open your Minecraft launcher and make sure you've selected version 1.21.4. Once Minecraft has loaded, there are two ways to install a data pack. The first is to install it onto an existing world, and the second is to install it onto a fresh, brand new world. To install the data pack to an existing world, first select the world you want to install it to. Once you've done this, click on Edit at the bottom, then click on Open World folder. It should appear. Now, click into the Data Packs folder. Simply drag and drop your downloaded data pack into this folder. Once you've done this, you can X out of the folder, and then click on Save. Now that the data pack has been installed, simply go ahead and play that world. As you can see, I've just opened my existing world, and our data pack should be activated straight away. To test it, if I go ahead and chop down this tree, it should destroy the rest of the tree with it. And as you can see, the data pack is working as intended. Now if it's not working for some reason, press T, and then type /reload and it will reload all of the data packs you have installed. If it's still not working, go ahead and restart Minecraft. Now to install data packs to a fresh new world, first create a new world just as you normally would. In the World Creation screen, click on the More tab at the very top, and then click on Data Packs. Now click on Open Data Pack folder, and the temporary new folder should appear. Simply drag and drop our downloaded data pack into this folder. Now that we've done that, we can exit out of it, and it should appear in Minecraft. Click on the arrow icon to move it from the Available column to the Selected column, like this. Now that the data pack has been enabled, click on Done, and create your new world just as you normally would. As you can see, I've just created my fresh new world, and I've given myself a wooden pickaxe. So if I go ahead and chop down a wooden block from this tree, it should destroy the rest with it. And as you can see, the data pack is working as intended. I can now start playing Minecraft just as I normally would. Again, if this isn't working for some reason, press T and type /reload and it will reload all of your data packs. If it's still not working, simply go ahead and restart Minecraft. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.